Abatura okorwa mu cyare cya Kitumba umugombore akatebwa omu district ya Bunyangabu bagwerirwa kagwe bwa nyuma y'ekidongo okutera enju ya Titus Mukidi ababire barimo bona bakaferaho. Ombafire harimo Harriet Kaboho ow'emyaka 25 ori muka Mukidi, Praise Musoki ow'emyaka 11 ori muhara wa Mukidi, Evelyn Bira ow'emyaka 37 ori munyanya wa Mukidi hamwe na Junior Mumbere ow'emyaka 4 obira ari mutabani wari nyinareme.
Mama kuhikaho nasanga mukazi wange na mugenzi wange n'umwana wange na n'umuko wange wakinta angu bona bakorege bafero munju hati na terenduru abataka baija bakoraki baza banyirukira bakwatefuka nipanga bakoraki.
Mukidi we nangwa nashaba government kwirugayo ikabasa kumurondera gundi mwanya oguya kubasa kombekaho
kanyoni saba government itaka hati nyoni wareki yani nyombeka harungi ndi kugaruka hali landslide.
Where we are standing is one of the landslides which has killed people. 4 people are dead, 3 women and 1 young boy. It is unfortunate. But everywhere there are landslides, and we have told the people to move from these risky places.
Honorable Peace Mutuzo or State Minister w'entura y'abantu kandi uri omukazi ori kujwekera abantu ba Bunyangabu omu parliament arakurabira hasimu no mushaki yagira ngu batwire bari kugwerwa ebigwerereze ebi kandi ngu government etari kubayamba.
Ntabwo ecyo nyenda kubanza kumuriza abantu ba Bunyangabu ecyakabiri kubahamya ngo kutwahise mirongo 3 tukandika Prime Minister's office tutari kutunga bwezi amarondo go nyenda kwa stamera kandi turonze Prime Minister muinarika kumero ninyenda kubashwa ngo batete ba data Prime Minister yariza kuradira ofisi ye ngo basama mwazyo komite stame baze yahalora yagera kwiyatebekanisa obwe student compiling report.
Minister Mutuzo yagaruka yagira ngo abatura abariyo myanya y'enshozi bine kubasa kubana barugayo okugira ngo government kwera leta obuhwezi burakwe kubayika
no kubashaba ngo abari mu soza yigura atembera munonga barugayo bashume bazomyanya ete kumanya ngo basa kwahwera mu byambi.
Bright Mate ori mukuru w'entebe ya kashatu ahabwe gombore akatebwa we nagira ngo abatura aba bakire kubana bafurwa omwanya ogu ngo habo kubana omwaka oguhwire bakaferwa matongo gabo.
Even some roads has been cut off. The road from Nyachigumba to Katebwa sub-county headquarters, from Chamukube to Katebwa sub-county headquarters, which means you cannot cross to Katebwa sub-county headquarters. And even you cannot cross from Bunyangabu district headquarters to Katebwa sub-county.
Very quickly is to have some tents where people can put up, and also to have some bit of relief, because most of the gardens are taken, they no longer have where to go. And secondly, we don't want these people to go to those risky places because of the cracks that we have seen on the ground. The likelihood of more landslides coming, the percentage is so high.
Obwa hati Mukidi yasigaza abana bashatu bonka kandi amaka agari kurenga muri gani 17 bona tibineho kuteka rubaju gasha kwa Gilbert Muhanguzo mu Bunyangabu.